friends! Welcome to ABC Spotlight. Let's learn A to Z with fast food fun. A is for apple pie. Yum, yum, apple pie. B is for burger. Big, tasty burger.
C is for cheese pizza.
Cheesy, cheesy pizza. D is for donut. Sweet round donut.
E is for egg sandwich. Tasty egg sandwich.
F is for French fries. Crunchy French fries. G is for grilled sandwich. Hot grilled sandwich. H is for hot dog. Yummy hot dog.
I is for ice cream. Cold, sweet ice cream.
J is for jumbo burger. Big jumbo burger. K is for ketchup fries.
L is for loaded pizza.
M is for milkshake. Sweet milkshake. N is for nuggets. Crispy nuggets.
O is for onion rings. P is for pizza. Hot pizza.
Q is for quick snack.
R is for rolls.
S is for sandwich.
T is for tacos.
U is for ultimate burger. V is for veg pizza. W is for waffles.
X is for extra cheese pizza.
Y is for yummy burger. Z is for zinger burger.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and tap the bell. See you again on ABC Spotlight.